Hey, this is Mitya from Soundbridge. Before we begin the tutorial, please take a moment to like, click the notification bell and subscribe, so you're notified every time we release a new video tutorial. Doing so really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm and we appreciate the support. With that said, let's continue with the video recap of our latest blog tutorial, where I will show you how to make a boring chord progression more interesting. The majority of modern music is built around a progression of chords. If you are like most composers, you feel a bit hesitant about experimenting with chord sequence that already sounds good for fear of messing it up. Here are some suggestions for improving an existing chord progression without really altering the chord roots. This is how the original chord progression sounds solo and in the full mix. As seen in the project, I shifted the original chord progression's middle notes up an octave. Since the chord progression's root key is G major, I added G key to the first, second, and fourth chords. This way, I spread the voices and added the accents to the original chord progression. Let's hear it solo and in the contents of the full mix. For the second technique, I changed the original chord progression articulation by moving the top notes of each chord. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.